Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the very first trial and error Patreon video where I go through the internet and I look up some positive quotes because the internet's kind of a scary place sometimes, and the positive quotes are in relation to things like Bitcoin trading, and just things like that in general. And then I'm going to read the quote and then give you my opinion, thoughts, and ideas on it. Really quick video. Like I said, this is the first one, work in progress, so we'll see how it goes. Today's quote, we have someone by the name of William O'Neill, and this is in regards to trading, whether it be stock or crypto or anything like that. He says, letting losses run is the most serious mistake made by most investors. Now, outside of the crypto space, I think I would probably agree with that a little bit, but inside the crypto space, as we know, it's a very crazy market, and sometimes the best option is holding. Now, if you're, or hodling, as the term is in the crypto space. Now, if you're an avid day trader in Bitcoin and cryptocurrency and stuff like that, you know you have other options besides holding, and if you want to make daily profits, you have options like DCA and shorting, and sometimes you do have to cut your loss if you're getting a good signal on another coin. So is it really the best kind of advice or inspirational quote pertaining to cryptocurrency? Not necessarily, because realistically, the number one thing that people say is to hold. If a coin goes down, hold. It's going to go back up eventually. So that's just my 2 cents on that. Thank you very much for the love and support, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.